Meaning of magnetic disk.
Magnetic disk.
Magnetic disk.
Magnetic disk.
Magnetic disk. A magnetic disk, also known as a hard disk drive, is a type of storage device that uses magnetism to store and retrieve digital information. It consists of one or more rigid platters coated with a magnetic material, which are stacked on top of each other and rotated at high speeds by a motor. A read-write head accesses the information on the magnetic surface of the disks by detecting the changes in magnetic orientation, allowing data to be stored and accessed quickly and efficiently. Magnetic disks are commonly used in computers and other electronic devices for storing large amounts of data, such as operating systems, applications, and user files.